question. If you need more information, find me on my profile, and we can have a sidebar chat.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
And where can
What do you
people
think
find you,
about
Emily?
magicians or sorcerers? Well,
Mhm.
I work with magic every day. I think magicians are amazing.
Yeah,
Hello.
exactly.
We wouldn't be here
That's
without the magic. There's a reason
yes,
why I was
exactly.
told I was in class 5D. I was in year 5, and it literally was called 5D.
Hmm.
And I was told by my teacher, the first moment he saw me, he said, "You would have been burned to the stake 600 years ago." And I looked at him, I said, "Well, I wasn't, was I? And I'm here now." And I was
Boom.
8 years old, right?
There you go.
Nobody knew the
Take
power because
that.
I'm left-handed. So that's the thing at the end of the day. Like, magic is beautiful,
Yes.
magic is divine. It's
Yeah.
just use
And it
it.
was
Yeah.
Use it for the
a
greater
normal,
good.
yeah, and it was something normal that existed during the days of Atlantis when the people
Oh,
were in a heightened state of
yeah,
consciousness. Guess what? They were all
Right.
wizards. They were all
Yeah.
absolutely.
magicians. They all were
Yes.
connected to their own power. They didn't consult psychics or mediums or oracles. You know, they were all
No.
plugged in.
Yeah,
And that's what we're
Yeah.
heading back. And just
right.
remember, guys, we're all in this together. And don't expect the solar flash to take place until enough of us do the inner work, by the way. We have to clear the chakras. We have to find that 0 point within ourselves in order to expect something external to happen. But yet, you know, this year is going to bring a lot of changes, positive changes. But at the same time, we're also going to
Mhm.
witness and see the collapsing of the old world order.
I
So
know how
to many people
to.
that are not awakened, it's going to seem like the end of the world. To us who are awakened, we're going to be seeing it as the rise of a new era. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Punchline.
also see that we are here to support every living being. We
Absolutely.
are the pillars of stability, logic, protection, love, compassion. This is why we are all located in different parts of the world, holding this grid together.
Absolutely.
Not only because we're bringing in light codes to amplify the grid work, but more importantly, when the shift happens, we are here to stabilize everyone and
Yeah.
everything.
Yes.
That's our role. That's why we actually came back here. That's why we came back here to do that,
Yes, we did.
amongst other things.
Oh yeah, party.
Yeah, of
Anyway,
course.
well,
So
it's 5:55 a.m. here, so I guess it might be time to clock off.
yeah, yeah. I would just say very quickly to Ishmael and to Emily, if you guys would be open to doing this
Yes.
again in the next few weeks, I would happily and honorably make my time and make
Absolutely.
myself available. And
Yes.
for anyone who wants to find me, you can probably find my IG profile here, and we can connect. And if anyone's interested in very specific design starseed origin based T-shirts, I have a whole collection on our website. We do all sorts of apparel. Please reach out, and there's a promotion code running right now, and we'd be happy to help out.
Indeed.
Emily, where
And
can people find you?
oh, Gina, Emily Gina Sinclair on here. You can just, if you look up the top there where it says Real Ismael Perez
That's right.
and hit that bottom arrow, the down arrow, you'll find me there if you'd like to follow me. I'm about to come back into the fold, if you would like to say. I have been not in hiding, but I've been working for the past 18 months. So I've got a lot to share with you, and I'm really super excited about our future, which is our present.
Right.
Let's do this, team. Let's go. Let's do
It's
it. We've got this.
time.
It's
Yeah.
time. It's time. We're
Absolutely.
activating. It's so divine. It's so beautiful. Remember that every single person that you come across is precious and beautiful, no matter where they are or what they're doing. Appreciate them, give them attention, give them love, because there are so many lost souls right now.
Yes.
We need people to find
Confusion,
Yeah.
themselves.
distortion. Absolutely. Absolutely. And in the
Yeah.
meantime, discernment.
Oh, yeah.
That's your number
Yeah.
one sacred divine ability. Discernment.
Yes. Yes.
That's what's going to
Yes.
keep you from being deceived. Now,
Exactly.
for those that want to stay, how can I say it? I've been in the last couple of weeks. I'm just going to share this. I've been actually connecting with a future version of myself from seventh dimensional Lyra, and I've been transmitting, not channeling. There is a difference. I've been transmitting a lot of information that is going to help, you know, the star seeds as well. But so
Yeah.
I'm going to be putting that information new content on my YouTube channel, The Real Ishmael Perez. So make sure you guys subscribe. The link here is in my bio. And then tonight on the live, I'm going to be talking about the 144,000. We're going to talk about its symbolic meaning. Of course, we're going to go beyond the religious conception of it, or interpretation, and we're going to go into the esoteric meaning of what the 144,000 is in relationship to the chakras, guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
So with that in mind, may the God force be with each and every single one of you.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much. Love and light to all.
Love you all. Thank you for joining.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.